ASPICE, VDA scope. Sometimes there are OEM-specific process requirement. For example, Volkswagen Group.
Right, yeah.
So can you tell us a little bit about that? How to deal with such scenarios, and should a company tailor their processes for this kind of events? And are they coherent OEM to OEM?
Yeah. Unfortunately not. Yeah. So VW is a very good example. Yeah. Probably you have heard about a role that is called SQUIL. Yeah? It's a software quality improvement leader. It's a role defined by Volkswagen, taking care that the suppliers fulfill the Volkswagen expectation of automotive SPICE. Yeah? The SQUIL role is a part of the Formula Q of Volkswagen, where the software development process is one part of. Yeah? Volkswagen defined a document, a requirement specification that is called in German Konzerngrundanforderungen Software, KGAS. So it's basic requirements for software development. And based on that document, a SQUIL has to check that the supplier fulfills the expectations, is creating certain kind of metrics in order to show that these requirements are fulfilled. This VW standard is based on automotive SPICE, but it defines and demands much more. It also defines a little bit more the how. Based on automotive SPICE practices, it defines how to implement it in a project. So it's not the same as automotive SPICE. Sometimes it's told, okay, this is automotive SPICE, but in reality this is a VW requirement. So for the supplier has no chance. If VW demands to fulfill this KGAS standard, then the supplier has to take it as an input from a customer, as a customer requirement. And some of my colleagues are trained as these SQUILs. Also I attended this training in the very beginning. I think now more than 3 years ago, 4 years around. And we will also show the people how to combine these VW expectations with the automotive SPICE standard expectations. Not only to act again only as an auditor, let's say, that just reports the result, but also to support and to coach again the people how to fulfill automotive SPICE from a Volkswagen point of view. So, and unfortunately, the OEM requirements, if you compare Volkswagen with Daimler or BMW, they are not completely the same. They have their own internal standards, internal expectations. I would say VW has somehow the highest ones in the meantime. They put a strong focus on software development since a few years. And unfortunately, it's not really equal. VW defined specific kind of audits, technical reviews, potential analysis activities and so on. BMW is also doing some gap analysis, is very often performing complete automotive SPICE assessments, so they have their own approaches, and you cannot completely compare it. The only thing you can compare if an assessment according to ISO 15504 or nowadays the 33000 series is carried out according to the standard. Then you can compare the results.